believe this is another sign of the end times. The corrupt, complicit.
Here's a demo again of the 100V working. I just replaced a few more capacitors in the PS2 module. So I'm transmitting on a double sideband right now. Double sideband.
As they are called in the Greek.
And it sounds pretty good. Again, this is AM from the R4B. That's double sideband. There's AM.
Antichrist political establishment and Roman class in America.
AM carrier adjustment. Pulse modulation. It's there a little bit. All right. Double sideband again.
Thank you again, Tom. I am going to send you
Upper sideband. It still seems to be a double sideband. So if I go to upper sideband, it's still flaky. Getting closer, but and LSB. So yeah, it's still not working right. LSB. Oh, that sounds better, doesn't it? It's on the wrong mode. Anyway, it's working. And I'm on manual now. If I go to PTT mode, say, and we go to talk voice here, comes back. Turn the carrier level down, disappears. So that's how to run this thing. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.